for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.